now. So let's kick it off, guys, first on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. And what we can see is that we have seen the breakout out of this consolidation, just like I've been telling you that we are going to see a breakout from this point, and we are going to meet some resistance at this orange line at 106,400. That is exactly what happened. We got a big rejection, in fact, of this level. We went all the way back down to $102,000, but it was always only a matter of time until we saw some pumps towards the upside and reclaim this. And now look at this. This is so freaking beautiful. It's textbook. And look at how important this orange line was, because now we can see that after breaking out of this, having a pullback, we went as high, guys, as $108,000 pullback, now meeting the support here. So things are, like, from a technical standpoint, things are looking so freaking beautiful right here, and this is destined to go much higher, guys. The fundamentals have never been better for Bitcoin, and yeah, congratulations to everyone who still held their longs, to everyone that didn't sell, to everyone who have been using my trading strategies here. You are the biggest winners right now. Let me quickly show you. Look at this. $463,000, $464,000 on the main Bitcoin strategy here. And the rest of the altcoins here are also doing pretty damn well. But the main thing for the altcoins is going to happen very soon. I will keep you updated on that. But looking really, really good for Bitcoin. I'm anticipating us to go higher, and $112,000 is programmed, and it is going to happen at some point. So I am completely calm in holding my positions here. If you look at the longer term on the weekly time frame, you can see that yes, we're well on our way to go and reach the levels that I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach here, between at the very least 150, but I think we're gonna top out somewhere around $180,000 to $280,000. I'm repeating that every single week here, and I've been saying it for over a year already. This is where the peak is going to be, okay? And it's gonna be at the end of 2025 or in 2026 even, okay? So I'm gonna stand by that, and so far, it is posting to be, yeah, it seems very likely that's actually gonna play out. For Ethereum, we're still holding the support here for Ethereum, so that's amazing to see. For Solana, we are trying to break through this resistance, the orange line here at the 169. If we can break through it, next level is 177, so that's great for Solana. Doge also holding the support here. XRP trying to break through the resistance. And Cardano is like in the middle of nowhere here, but yeah, resistance at 80 cents for Cardano. Pepe is consolidating, and for Pepe, guys, it looks like Pepe really wants to have a nice pump up towards this orange line up here, which would be another 25% for Pepe. So that's amazing to see. I will keep you updated. Traditional markets are going down, but they are going down after having massive pumps towards the upside, and now approaching my support at $5,900. Let me quickly talk about my trading strategies before we talk about the massive Bitcoin whale and this crazy chart that is actually playing out at this moment. So for my main strategies, we are currently up $620,000. So that is all amazing. They continue. For every dip that we see, they continue to make more money with this volatility. And the next time we see the altcoins have a nice pop, like Ethereum going to 2,700, Solana going to 180, the profits are going to be absolutely crazy here, because right now, really, it is only the altcoins that are lacking here the last few days. Bitcoin has been going on a nice run the last few days, and we need the altcoins to catch up. And this also, of course, means that my altcoin bull market portfolio is also still at a slight loss, but it is going to be at insane profits once the momentum comes back up. In fact, a few days ago, you saw that this was at minus $40,000. Now it's only at minus $5,000. But during this time, you can see that my algorithm has made insane profits. Look at this. For virtuals, my algorithm has made almost 8.5%, and the price has not really been doing anything at all. You can see I entered at $1.91. We're currently at $1.92. So yes, we've seen a little bit of a price increase, like from the price increasing, we have seen some gains, but the algorithm, look at this, the algorithm is making so much profit. All of the profit almost for virtual is coming from the algorithm. So the more volatility we see, the more the algorithm is going to make, and just over time, it is going to get us insane profit. So if you've been listening to me the last few days when we have seen big pullbacks for altcoins, and I've been saying this is the time to get into altcoins, you are able to get in at a much lower price than even I got into. If you got in, you should be looking at, 30, 40, 50, 60% profit already, which is absolutely insane. So congratulations to all of you guys who got into the bull market portfolio. Now, I think that altcoins still have done really nothing compared to what they are going to do. So yeah, I'm keeping this open. And if you want to get into my trading strategies yourself, you already know how to do it. You go down to the description of this video, sign up to Pionex using this link right here. Time is running out though, guys. We're going to see the next major move for the altcoins here pretty soon. Claim the deposit bonuses using this link right here. And then you have my main coins here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, ADA, XRP. And then my bull market portfolio coins, you have them here as well. So make sure to just click on any of these links when you want to open up a position. You have SUI, HBAR, and over 180 other altcoins also using this link right here. But also make sure to watch the tutorials at the top of the description here. So let us continue. So let us begin with the whale here. So the whale did something absolutely crazy yesterday. So you know that during the push up towards, let me see here, when we saw that initial push towards $106,000, the massive whale actually took some profit and he made insane profits. But when we went down, he actually accumulated on the dip and he increased his position to over $800 million. So almost $1 billion public trade position here, which is absolutely unheard of to have that publicly. Now, what happened after that is that the Bitcoin price pumped. So once again, this whale was correct. And I'm going to talk about who this whale actually is in a little bit. But this whale was correct again, and just like we did here with the trading strategies and holding our positions, we made insane profits on that move up for Bitcoin. This whale made insane profits as well. Now what he is doing just a little while ago is he's actually closing some of the positions. He's taking some profit. You can see he's closing some positions here at $106,000. So taking some profit here. However, just understand that this is the same thing he was doing previously as well, and then he re-entered. So I think he's going to do the same thing here. He's going to take that profit, he is going to wait for the pullback, and we are seeing the pullback right now, and then he is most likely going to accumulate more. So absolutely insane profits right here. Let us talk about who this whale actually is. So James Wynn is the name. What do we know? We know that the wallet was funded back in 2022 by Alameda. We know that he found Pepe at a couple of $100,000 in market cap, and he talked about it at $4.2 million in market cap. So he made about $10 million on that. He farmed a bunch of coins on Ethereum for a few months. He scammed a Pepe beta team, Baby Pepe, to stay on brand in 2023 for $60K. So it seems like he's been doing some sketchy things as well. He longed $10 million worth of Trump a couple of days before the Trump dinner announcement. So this seems to be like an insider here, longing Trump before that dinner, because after the dinner announcement, the price pumped. He hit a few trades in a row. Ironically, also for Pepe, he is also setting up a private trading group for people to use his Hyperliquid link. So he wants to earn some commission on Hyperliquid as well. He created a meme coin called Moonpig, which he shills relentlessly. And this is the same thing that I talked about earlier on when we found this whale. And I said that, hey, be a bit careful because he also has this meme coin. And maybe he's using just these trades here for exposure. And it's working very well. And now he has a massive position on Hyperliquid, as we know. Absolutely bizarre behavior. Fairly confident this guy, Turkish himself soon, does not pass the vibe test. Something is off. Seems to have made some money cleanly, some not. Went on a sun run and is now just leveraging to the max with max size. So we will see, guys, what is going to happen with this whale. Everything is public, of course, but we will see. I will keep you updated as soon as we have some more info. Talking about Bitcoin, we have a very interesting chart here. So whenever the price compresses, we've seen this in 2020 in the cycle during 2015 to 2017. And you saw that we were compressing here. We had an initial pump. After this compression, we broke through it. Boom. we had another compression, and then the third compression, that is when we went on an insane run for Bitcoin. And look at this, guys. We have something similar. We have the first compression, second compression, and if we break this, are we going to go on a massive run like you saw right here in 2017? That would mean that Bitcoin is going to go up to like 300, 400, $500,000. Not impossible, of course, but we will see. But this is looking very, very good. And I'm expecting Bitcoin to do very well. So even if we just pump to, $200,000, $100,000, not 100, but like 180 to $280,000, just like I'm expecting here based on my chart, that will still be some nice gains. Hey, let me know if you want Bitcoin to pump to $280,000. Guys, another very important thing. The trend of using Bitcoin in a way to create a treasury and your stock going absolutely ballistic continues to happen. So Metaplanet, which is considered like the MicroStrategy of Japan, they're also buying Bitcoin, and their stock went up so much that the Japanese stock market actually had to halt the trading. They opened it up 3 hours ago and it reached again. They had to stop trading it less than 5 minutes later because the stock is just, going, it's like a rocket ship towards the upside. And let me now ask you, and I've been telling you about this before, and I've been saying that this is huge. What do you think is going to happen with other companies that are going to establish the same kind of thing? And when they continue to buy more Bitcoin, what do you think is going to happen with the Bitcoin price? Guys, ignore the short-term swings. Bitcoin is destined for higher prices. Altcoins are destined for higher prices. The trading strategies are going to automatically take profit on the way up, and they are going to automatically make money with the swings back and forth. So we don't have to time the absolute top and we don't have to time the absolute bottom. That is the beautiful thing. And this is why these ones are so successful and how they are making insane amounts of profits. Guys, final thing with the trading strategies, just like I said yesterday, I will increase the leverage here on the strategies that are insane profit, like this Bitcoin strategy. I will increase the leverage just so I can take out some of the money that I invested here. It will still be the same position, just some more leverage, but it will still be the exact same amount of money invested. Even though it will look smaller here, in nominal terms, the amount of Bitcoin will still be the same. So that is going to be absolutely beautiful. I'm going to take this out, and